Ano?
Isa.
Ano? Ano? Uy, nasun si. O, ikaw, Kevin. Picturean mo ako dali.
Yan.
Oh. Ayan. Picturean. Mamaya ka. Kaya ko, Kevin. Yung
Yung isa oh.
Ayan! Ayaw na. Ayaw na. Ikaw di. Ikaw. Ikaw magpakain. Dali. Doon na.
Meron pa.
Si Daddy. Here. Ayaw yata di. He doesn't like it.
Kakaunti naman yung
$1 is on a little bit. Ah, see? Come on. Ay, ayaw niya. Yung isa. Di, yung isa di. Ayaw. Di like. Dito. Lagyan mo ng grass. O yan. Dali. O yun o. Kumakain siya talaga. O di, sa'yo di. Wow. Uy, nakakari. Wow. Wow. Kunti lang daw. Sige, one more. One more. Hey. Inalasahan niya. Oh. Inalasahan niya. Pwede pa lang. Too big. Hi, Ben. Oh, one more. Oo. Alam niya eh. Alam niya. Oh. Gusto niya kay GM. Meet the giraffe keeper. Stop. Oh, 1 o'clock. Join our animals keeper. See? No more? Okay. Hi, Ben. Ikaw, Ben.
Ayoko.
Why? Why you didn't like? Oh, here is coming again. Come on, Ben. Oh, ha? Oh, what are you doing? Mamayang later, 1 o'clock. They know.
Talk lang naman yan, hindi.
1 o'clock po.
Meet the giraffe, keeper talk. Oh,
Yeah.
keeper talk
Oh,
lang.
oh, so
Wala sa salita lang.
oh, oh, yan. Oh, he knows. Oh, the giraffe knows. See? See?
Ano nila pag magaganyan?
Yeah, they know. See? Oh. They know. So nice. Oh, yun na yung $1 mong binayad kanina. See?
Ikon mo lang ng
Yun yung $1. Hindi ko na kanisi.
No,
Kanis. Oh, here, di. Wow. Oh, they know, see? Oh. Ay, how about Heaven? Did you take a picture? Heaven, did you take a picture? For me? Come on. No.
madami.
Okay. Hmm? One more?